Surveillance. You have made a bodily injury claim. You have noticed people are following you. What do you do? Okay, so you can be under surveillance for a bodily injury claim for a lot of different reasons. We'll go into that. This video is for discussion only. I'm not giving any sort of legal advice, and I am only offering my opinion on what could be happening. Okay, let's get into it. Oh, subscribe, 1,000 subscribers, and I'll do a live stream. Okay, so you made a bodily injury claim. You were in a car accident. You have a bodily injury. You are living your daily life where you're getting treatment, and you notice somebody following you, taking pictures. Your neighbors have said, oh yeah, so-and-so came over to me and started asking questions about you. What is this all about? Well, so when we're talking about claims, we're talking about exposure. We're talking about trying to limit that exposure. And one of the ways that insurance companies do that, both insurance companies and self-insured companies do that, is if there is a bodily injury claim where you're claiming to have a broken back and it was a minor rear end accident with less than $1,000 of damage, and you sought treatment 3 weeks afterwards, you want $1 million. So this would be something that the claim handler would make a decision to send surveillance on. 2 to 3 days, maybe 5, maybe continuous, maybe sporadic. It depends on how the claim develops. They will also do a background check on you, see what your criminal history looks like, see what your assets are, take a look at your social media, see what's going on there, all kinds of things. And they'll actually physically send somebody out. They'll take pictures. I'll get a report back, and I will make a decision on how that will affect your claim. This can happen if you have an attorney or if you don't. Don't think that just because you don't have an attorney, it's not happening. Every company works differently. Self-insureds with commercial truckings have higher limits, so they have more exposure. So they're going to be more cautious, and they're going to be able to spend more money to defend themselves. Especially with the commercial trucking companies, typically, it depends on who the company is, but typically they have more money than you do. If they're self-insured, they have those funds to pay for claims. So what we're talking about is we're talking about legitimate bodily injury claims. For some reason you didn't get treatment or you couldn't get treatment. You are severely injured, and you've made your claim. You're going to collect your treatments. You're going to make a demand. You're going to decide what is something that you would settle for pain and suffering. And at the end of the day, you'll either file a lawsuit or you sign a release. So I hope this has been helpful. We don't want to, fraudulent bodily injury claims are illegal, so we don't want to do that. But if you're injured, you're not going to be lifting, trash cans above your head, or you're not going to be moving people, moving big dresser drawers. I mean, it's just common sense. So keep that in mind when you make a bodily injury claim. Hope this has been helpful. Thank you very much. Subscribe.